Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another exciting tutorial for you, how to blur faces and objects in CapCut using a desktop. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open up CapCut, then import and add the video that you are going to use to the track. This is what the video we are going to use as an example for today's video looks like without the blur effect on its face. Once the videos are ready to go, we need to add the blur effect. To achieve this, go to the Effects section, expand Video Effects, click on Lens, and then locate and add the blur effect. Extend the effect for the same duration as the video clip. Then, increase the blur effect to 65. However, the intensity of the blur effect is your personal choice. Afterwards, export it. Next, remove the blur effect. Then, import the one that we have just exported and add it to the track. Ensure that the blurred one is on top of the original one. Next, click on the blurry clip, then go to the video section located at the upper right side of the screen. Afterward, click on Mask and select Circle. After that, adjusting the size of the circle to make it bigger or smaller will depend on your needs. This also applies to its positioning wherever you want it to cover something in your video clip. Next, add a keyframe at the beginning of the video clip once you have adjusted the placement and size of the circle. Next, control the white line to track your subject's movements over time. As your subject moves, simultaneously shift the circle to cover each movement. Don't forget to add the keyframe as you adjust the circle. Continue this process until you reach the very end of the video clip. And here's the final result. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.